In this lesson, you will be shown how to round numbers to a given degree of accuracy using significant figures. This is a very widely used method of rounding, as it always ensures that the sense of size is kept after the approximation. If you are studying for examinations, this method of rounding is used if no other method is requested. Consider the number 0.054076. First, we would identify the most significant digit. This is the first non-zero digit, in this case, the 5. If we wish to round to one significant figure, we would look at this 5 plus the number following it. In this case, it is a 4. We would not round up with a 4, so to one significant figure, we would get 0.05. To round this number to two significant figures, we would look at the 5, the 4, and the number following the 4, which is a 0. Again, the 0 would not cause us to need to round up, so we would stick with the 5 and the 4, giving 0.054 to two significant figures. If we wish to round to three significant figures, we would look at 540 and then the number following that, which in this case is a 7. The 7 would cause us to round up, so to three significant figures we would obtain 0.0541. Let's consider a few more examples. Let's start with the number 0.4965. If we wish to round this to three significant figures, we need to look at the first three significant digits, that is the 496, and then the following digit, the 5. The 5 would cause us to round up, so to three significant figures we would achieve 0.497. Now let's consider 1.0355. If we were rounding this to three significant figures, the first non-zero digit is a 1. Then we would choose the second to be 0, the third would be the 3. So we would consider whether the 5 following would mean we need to round up. This would give us 1.04 to three significant figures. To two significant figures, we would obtain 1.0. as the 3 following those first two significant digits means we do not need to round up. Lastly, let us consider 12.904. What would this be to two significant figures? Well, looking at the first two significant figures, we see a 1 and a 2. These are followed by a 9. Which means we would round up to 13. This means that 12.904 is 13 to two significant figures.